everybody, Martin here. You know, this is a little bit different video than I normally do. I'm usually working on a Jeep and showing you how to fix things or build things for your Jeeps. Now, I had a couple people recently say something about my video, the fact that they had a hard time hearing me and I needed a better mic. Well, so I stepped it up. I got myself a Rode microphone with the dead cat on it, and I thought I'd come out here and test it because this is the perfect condition to test one of these mics. It is extremely windy. I mean, you can probably see the mic blowing around. I don't even want to pull the stand out into the driveway because it will blow over. I got the boom and everything, and so I just wanted to show you how well it worked. Right now, hopefully you're hearing really good audio. And then I'm going to take the dead cat off. We'll test it that way, see if it gets any worse. And then I'm going to also show you with no microphone at all, just using the microphone on the camcorder itself. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and remove the dead cat. That's what they call it anyway. All right. I don't know if we picked up any wind noise or not. I'm also going to turn that right into the wind. See if that makes any difference. There we go. Directly facing the wind now. I'll slip the dead cat back on it. All right. Starting to sprinkle. Still pretty windy though. I mean, you're going to realize how windy it is when I unplug this microphone and use the one on the camcorder. All right, I'm just going to walk over here. Alright, now for one, I'm sure you can't hear me as well when I was standing next to the mic over here. And you're probably picking up quite a bit of wind noise. Okay, I'm going to pull this out here right where this was in the wind. Now that probably sounds like crap, huh? I'm glad I stepped it up and got the Rode mic here, and you should be getting a lot better quality videos from me from now on. Alright, thanks for watching. If you've never subscribed to me before, if you would, please hit that subscribe button right down there and the little bell symbol right next to it. And that way you get notifications of any videos as I post them. Alright, and if you enjoyed that and found that helpful or informative, please give me the thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.